Hello friends, so in this video I'll show you how to create an Instagram bot using Python. So let's get started. Okay, now first open terminal and just type pip install Instabot. Okay, now let's import Instabot. For that, just type from Instabot import bot. Let me assign a variable named bot which is equal to bot. Now let's see how to log into our Instagram account. Okay, this is my Instagram account. It's Kiyotaka. If you know who is he, just mention him in comments. I'm currently following two people, Sandy and Taylor Swift, and also I'm having two followers. Don't know who are they. Okay, let me just copy this username. First, let me comment it. Just type bot.login username equal to. Let me just paste it, and after that, just type a password. Okay. Now I'll show you how to follow a user. To follow a user, just type bot.follow and username of the user. So let me say Cristiano. This is Ronaldo's account. Follow a user. Okay. I'm not going to run this code because Instagram is very sensitive, so it will find out it is a bot. So avoid running this code more than 5 times. Now let's see how to unfollow non-followers. It will be helpful for most of us. Bot.unfollow non-followers. Now let's see how to upload a post. To upload a post, you just need to type bot.upload photo. Now I'm going to upload this photo, this one. So in order to do that, just type Kiyotaka dot jpg comma caption. This will be the caption of your post. So I'm going to give humans are nothing but tools. Okay. This line is actually said by a wise man. Okay, now let's try to run this code. So let's see how it works. Okay, I made a mistake actually. So you need to capture this B, this capital B. Okay, now let's run this again. Okay, now let's see our account. Here you can see the post has been uploaded with the caption humans are nothing but tools. And also it unfolded two accounts which has not followed by me. Okay, now let's see how to like a post. To like a post, you just need to type bot.like user. Just enter the username. Let me paste it. Comma amount equal to 2. By default, filtration has been assigned to true. So let me change it to false. False should be capital. Okay, now I'll show you how to comment a post. To comment a post, user ID. Let me create a variable named user ID, which is equal to bot dot get user ID from username. Let's type the username. Let me paste it. And media ID equal to bot dot get lost user medias. User ID comma 1 and bot dot comment media ID index 0. So people who don't know who he is actually from Classroom of Elite, which is Annie from Classroom of Elite. Now let's see how to get a list of followers and followings. List of followers. To get a list of followers, create a variable named followers equal to bot dot get user followers. Enter the account name, and after that I'm gonna create a for loop for each in followers. Print each. Now this code will get a list of followers. Now to get a list of followings, create a variable named followings equal to bot dot get user following. Let me paste the username. Now for I in followings, print I. Okay, now let's run this code. Okay, before running this code, just read this config file because it would cause an error. Now let's run this code. Okay, it would take time. Okay, now let's check our account. Here you can see our bot liked our post and also posted a comment. He's from Classroom of Elite. Now let's see how to message a user. To message a user, just a bot dot send message, a name of the user, comma, the message you want to send. Let me say, hi, what's up? So let's run this code. Let's move to the message section. Okay, here's our message. Hi, what's up? Okay, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.